Welcome to course requesting for the class of 2025. There are 3 things that you need to complete to graduate from Scecina. 1. Earn credits toward a diploma designation. 2. Complete a capstone project that you will complete during your senior year. 3. Meet at least one post-secondary competency. Here at Scecina, we offer 2 diplomas, the Core 40 Diploma and the Academic Honors Diploma. If you are going for the Academic Honors Diploma, make sure that you have all the classes you need to graduate with this diploma. For the post-secondary readiness competency area, you will be able to complete this requirement in several ways. Receiving the Academic Honors Diploma, scoring a certain score on the SAT, which you will take March 5th, earning a C average or higher in career and technical education classes, which we offer in 4 different areas: accounting, business administration with concentration in marketing, digital design, interactive media, or taking 3 or more AP or dual credit courses, earning a C average or higher. One course must be in a core area. Your senior schedule will include 2 Catholic theology classes, an English class, either academic, honors, or AP, a math class. If you have completed and passed Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry, you may choose Prob Stats and Quantitative Reasoning, academic or AP, or Pre-Calculus, academic or AP, a science or world language class. Colleges look for a rigorous course load during the senior year also. Therefore, even if you have all of your world language credits or science credits, you will be required to take a science or world language course. Another requirement is government and economics, either academic or AP, which would leave room for 3 electives. New courses we are offering this year are in Catholic theology. Next year, you will be able to choose which 2 classes you would like to take. Choose one from the fall and one from the spring. In the fall, we are offering pastoral theology and practical ministry, or Catholic social teaching. In the spring, we are offering spiritual theology, or topics in Catholic theology. In business, we are offering management fundamentals and marketing fundamentals. Computer science, we're offering principles of computing. Media arts, principles of digital design graphics, also known as Radio and TV 1 this year. Interactive media design, known as Radio and TV 2. Math, AP Pre-Calculus. In science, we're offering zoology in the fall and botany in the spring. For history, we are offering current events in the fall and world geography in the spring. Please note that if a student earns a failing grade, an F, in a core class, Catholic theology, English, math, science, social studies, the student is required to attend summer school to recover the credits prior to the start of the 2024-2025 school year. During the summer school schedule, students are to proactively reach out to a school counselor if that is of concern. Letters will be mailed home along with other communications made to ensure students and parents are aware of the summer school requirement. Not passing a class this school year could affect eligibility to play IHSAA sports in the following school year. On Thursday, February 22nd, the course requesting process will be live. Register for classes by Friday, March 1st. You will need to log on to your PowerSchool account at archindy.edu www.powerschool.com and select Class Registration from the options on the left. This will be the screen that appears when you select Class Registration. This is where you will select your classes. To do this, you will select the pencil to the right of the classes. When you select the pencil, a list of class options will show. If a class requires a teacher recommendation, it will be an option for you to select only if the teacher has recommended you take the course. Courses that are marked with an exclamation mark, as shown here, are required, and you must select these courses to meet graduation requirements. Once you have selected all your courses, including 2 alternate courses, which should be different from the other course selections, make sure to select Submit to make sure your classes are selected. During the Class of 2025 presentation on how to course request, a packet of information was handed out. There was an intent to return form included in the packet. This form is due back to the school counseling office by March 1st. We are here to help. Please don't hesitate to contact us in the school counseling office if you have any questions. Please reach out to me, Mrs. Huntoon, at khuntoon@scecina.org, Ms. Johnson at kjohnson@scecina.org, or Mrs. Trepanier at ttrepanier@scecina.org. Thank you.